Hey guys, it's Sarah. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have this easy Thanksgiving look. I hope you guys really enjoy it. If you do, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And of course, subscribe down below. And if you guys want to see how to get this look, then let's go ahead and get started. Hey guys, going right into the Morphe 3502 palette. I'm taking this burnt orange shade with a pencil brush and applying that right in my crease from inner to outer corner. And as you guys see, I'm looking to the side. This really helps get right in that inner corner area. And I'm doing circular motions to really blend the color nice and evenly. Going in with a big fluffy brush, I'm taking that and doing windshield wiper motions to really blend the whole look out. The key to these types of looks is to really make sure that you blend. It's going to look the best that way. Going back in with that shade once more, I'm doing that to just re-intensify because when you do blend, some of the color goes away. So really make sure you re-intensify it. Going back into that palette, I'm taking this burnt yellow shade with that same brush and popping it right above that shade just so it helps blend the color and it really pops through. Going right into my setting powder, I love doing this with a big fluffy brush. I'm taking that and I'm blending out the edges. This is a great trick to help you guys in case you don't know if your edges are really blended good. This really helps to make sure everything is nice and seamless. Now going into the Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm taking this dark brown shade and with that same pencil brush, I'm popping this right on the inner corner and right into that crease. And as you guys see, I'm winging it out just a little bit to get that cat eye shape. Now I'm just taking some concealer. You guys see me do this in every video. This just really helps to clean the whole look up. So I take a small brush and just follow the natural shape of my eye, stopping where we put that brown shade and really making sure they blend nicely together. Then I'm going back in with the Morphe 3502 palette and I'm taking this gold shimmer shade and applying it right over top. Then taking some MAC liner, I'm applying a little bit of a line just so it blends in with my lashes, popping on some mascara, and applying the Ardell Demi Wispies, and I'll be right back to finish up the eyes. Now to finish up the lash line, I'm just taking all the shades we used earlier, so going in with that orangey burnt shade and applying that from inner to outer lash line and really making sure to blend it out. And then going right underneath it with the yellow shade just to make sure everything blends it nice and seamlessly. Then going back in with that dark brown shade and applying it just halfway, stopping exactly where we stopped on the top of the lid and really making sure to blend everything out. And then once again going back in with that gold shade and putting it in the inner corner and a little bit on the lash line. The same exact thing we did on the lid. And yeah, just applying some mascara and that is it for the eyes. I absolutely love them. And it's super easy and it's so Thanksgiving. I love it. To finish up the face, I'm just go ahead and apply some bronzer. This is the MAC, I believe it's the medium dark bronzer. I'll leave everything down below for you guys. And just applying that on the perimeter of my face to really make my skin look a little bit more bronzed and tan. For blush, I'm taking this one by MAC. I believe it's an apricot. It's a nice orange blush to go perfect with the eyes. And then of course, you guys know I have to go in with the Loreal Glow Drops. I need it, it's an essential. So I apply this wherever I'm going to be applying my highlight just so it sticks and it really is a lot more intense. For highlight, I'm going with the Anastaisa Glow Kit. I believe this is Sunkiss, and I'm taking this shade right here. So pretty. It's just like a golden champagne highlight, and applying that wherever I put the glow drops. Like, look at that. Love it. And lastly, just spraying my face with the Too Faced setting spray. Have to do that, it's a must. And then taking my damp sponge, just patting that all in. You guys know the drill. And lastly for lips, what shall I do? So I was debating between these two Revlon lip liners, but I think I'm going to go with this one. It's a little bit more burnt orange like the eyes. So I'm taking that and just filling in with this lip liner and then going in with this NYX, I believe it's a liquid lipstick. I'm not sure the name, but it's so pretty. It's like a glossy brown. And yeah, that is it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to watch me on season 2 of American Beauty Star, airing January 2nd. And yes, I love you guys so much. I hope you have a happy Thanksgiving, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.